Tidak cukupkah 43.160 nyawa penduduk Palestina? A. 43,160 Palestinian lives not enough? Agung Nugroho _Telegram. Tidak cukupkah 43.160 nyawa penduduk Palestina untuk membangunkan mayat yang berjalan?
The generations and to say we want to make it a better place for our children and our children's children, so that they know it's a better world for them, and think if they can make
Aren't 43,160 Palestinian lives enough to wake up the walking corpse?
And I know that it is love, and this place is much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry.
Jangankan 43.160 nyawa, satu orang terzalimi pun seharusnya sudah cukup menjadi alasan bagi pemimpin muslim untuk menggerakkan tentara menggempur musuh. Let alone 43,160 lives. Even one world person should be enough reason for Muslim leader to mobilize the army to attack the enemy.
There's a love that cannot lie. Love is strong and only cares for joyful giving. If we try, we shall see. In this bliss we cannot feel. There are dreams.
Sayangnya, pemimpin muslim saat ini tak ubahnya seperti mayat yang berjalan.
Love's enough for us growing. Make a better world. Make a better world. Heal the world. Make it a better place.
Unfortunately, today's Muslim leaders are like walking corpses.
People die. If you care enough for living, make a better place for you and for me. And the dream we were
At Agung Nugroho, Indonesia, Tuesday, 61st October 2024.